This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have a Gmail account and the latest Genshin/Hoyo Lab app installed because binding requires email verification. Once ready, open the launcher, tap Account, then choose Bind Email. Enter your Gmail address exactly because typos break verification. After you hit send, check your Gmail for a 6-digit code. This proves ownership and enables recovery. Make sure the code arrives. If not, wait 2 minutes. Then request a new code. This step links your game progress to your email for safety. Once you receive the code, paste or type those 6 digits into the verification field and submit. This completes the bind theoretically. If the system prompts you to set or confirm a password, choose a strong, unique one. This prevents unauthorized access. If you started on a guest or SNS login, convert it to a full Hoyo Lab/MyHoyo account before binding so progress transfers cleanly. Also, enable optional security like 2-factor authentication or phone binding to make recovery and sign-in safer. After binding, log out and log back in with your email and password to confirm the link is active and your progress appears. Once done, try a password recovery simulation to ensure Gmail receives reset messages. This proves the recovery path will work if needed. Make sure your in-game account page lists your email. If anything fails, code not arriving, binding rejected, check Gmail spam, resend the code, clear app cache, or use a different browser. If problems persist, contact official support with account details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.